Hello guys, this is Hacking Guruji and today I'm showing how to hack Pokemon Go. First we open Play Store, then type fake GPS. Then fourth link, this one, install it. Our fake GPS has been downloaded. We open it. Allow. Then we go to second settings. Sorry.
USB doubling करनी है.
Then we select more location app. Then fly GPS. Okay. Now we go anywhere. Again we go to United Kingdom because we want to go London. Here. Then click on press select the menu, then first link, then second. Okay. Then we open Pokemon Go. Our hack is done. We go anywhere like this. So, okay guys, please subscribe my channel and like this video.